Okay guys, so today's the day. We're going to do a spring farmhouse project with items from Dollar Tree and the Target Dollar Spot. Unfortunately, the items from the Target Dollar Spot are a little hard to link below, so I'm going to link something as similar as I can. Otherwise, check out your Target Dollar section and pick some up. I'd love for you guys to subscribe and check out some of my previous videos, and let me know in the comments what you think about them. Here we go, guys. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Let's get started in today's video. So what I used for this project was some Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree. I'm also using one of these birds from the Dollar Spot. And the planter. This is the $3 planter from Target Dollar Spot. So I started by just taking some of the Spanish moss, and it was a little hard to get out. You might need to use scissors to cut it. Some areas were difficult, some weren't. But I just molded it and rounded it with my hands into a nest shape. Everything went into the shape a lot easier than I thought it would, so I did it a couple times just to make sure it was as easy as it was the first time. I made the second nest a little fuller so it would fill out the planter a little bit better, and I'm really glad I did. It fit a lot nicer and looked better with the bird. Once I had the shape I like, I separated the center a little bit so that the bird could fit through. Then I just slipped the bird through the hole and I set it all on the planter. This has to be one of the simplest projects that I've done on my channel. It's probably the easiest one I'll do. You just put a couple items together, but I'm in love with how it turned out. It's great for a farmhouse spring project to bring in the spring. Here's a final look at the project. I really hope you guys enjoyed and give it a shot. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye-bye!